Real hot girls eat hot food and are really hot because we're just hot. We're
Right.
hot people.
Everything's hot. And we don't care what season it is. We're always doing hot girl shit.
Was that cute? Are you guys good with that? I think messier is better. Are you okay with messy?
Yeah, I'm a messy bitch.
Hey everybody, I'm Ashley Graham and we are here with the one and the only Megan Thee Stallion.
Hello.
She is not only a 3-time Grammy award-winning,
yes.
Oh my gosh, songwriter, and she happens to be a makeup artist also, who has just dropped the Big Bad Beauty collection with Revlon. So something that I want to do with you, one of your favorite things to do maybe,
yes.
And it's one of my new favorite things to do because I've been craving a lot of spicy food, is to eat spicy food. Like what better to do than eat spicy food with a real hot girl?
Yes.
Is spicy food like always on the tour bus? Like it's like on the rider?
Jalapeno kettle chips, hot chips. I literally go to every city and try to figure out what is the spiciest food y'all have and give it to me. I like to push my limits.
We're gonna bring out the salsa and chips. Bring them out, bring them out. Hey. I can literally make anything into a song. I'm sure you can too. Yes,
is it salsa or PICO?
Are these hot chips?
Okay, these look like spicy chips.
Here we go. It's normal.
But it's good though. Oh wait, hold on, I think it might be spice kicking in. No.
No. So walk me through, what's the first thing, if you're gonna talk about the Big Bad Beauty collection, what's the first thing that like catches your eye?
My favorite piece right now, the Big Bad palette.
I love this palette. Also, I'm wearing the purple. Put it up here. I did a little graphic moment.
Or whatever. Moving into the fall, I feel like, okay girl, it's time to smoke that eye out a little bit. It's time to get sultry. It's time to go on dates. So let's do the orange because that's what I have on right now.
Oh, I like this. Oh, look, it goes with my, I should have done that.
Right?
That's
it's
pretty.
super pigmented.
I
It's
love
super
that.
smooth. And I have it on my eyes too.
You did like a sunset kind of look. Did you do this?
I did this.
That's the other thing. You are a makeup artist.
I mean, on the side.
Makeup is something that you just do for fun. Are you getting yourself ready for concerts?
These days, no. Because I feel like we're always so crunched for time. I just
okay.
recently started letting other people do my makeup.
Really?
Yes, because I'm like, I'm the only person who can make me beautiful.
Well,
Who knows your face better than you?
you. That's it. That's it.
I feel like everybody will gravitate towards this vinyl pencil.
I love the vinyl pencil.
This is my favorite. It glides so smooth. I even use the brown as a lip pencil.
Oh, I do that with the eyebrow pencil. Should we do this, the spicy shrimp? Let's see if we can handle it. That's a weak dip.
I didn't want to get too much. Okay, I'm gonna dip mine in the hot sauce too. I'm just gonna go for it.
Okay, if Megan says that it's spicy, it's spicy. I'm gonna try to take my mind off of that. Look at how easy that glides.
And it's so dark. That's my favorite thing about it, how dark it is.
I love that.
I have that on too right now with the pencil. And I did my waterline and then I just drew over it. And then,
Did you?
it's kicking in. And then I went back with the liquid pen.
Oh, see, I suck at the liquid pen.
I am fairly good at the liquid pen.
What's the trick?
You have to go to medical school and become a surgeon.
Seriously, it's what it feels like. And this is kind of hard to get off. Like, I'm scrubbing. So
I know,
this
it's
is
like
like
waterproof.
long wear for sure.
I know if you got a little tears throughout the day, you'll be okay.
You'll be all right. You brought up medical school. I know you're not going to medical school,
Right.
but you're getting a degree in health administration.
Yes, healthcare administration.
What
is
made
this?
you? This is a spicy chicken sandwich here.
I went into healthcare administration because I watched my grandmother take care of my great-grandmother growing up. She didn't have any medical training and it's just family taking care of family. And I'm like, damn, I really want to do something to help. I know I can't be the only person watching a generation take care of another generation. And I just wanted to create like a facility where it feels like home. This is end of life care, but I want you to feel like I'm with my people.
So you want to open a facility to help other families who aren't able to afford healthcare in their home. Wow,
And put
that's
it
really
in,
big.
I want to start one in my neighborhood, my old neighborhood.
Wow.
Ready? No, I feel like y'all are tricking us.
And see, she's gotta dip it. I feel like this is the calm before the storm. So wait, how much longer do you have until you're, that's that. It's that made the eye go, eh.
Yeah.
How much longer until you're done with this degree?
I graduate December 11th,
Oh,
2021.
is this gonna be virtual?
I think they're
I
gonna
just
actually
said,
let
is
us
this-
walk. I think they're gonna let us actually walk in person. I have to walk.
She's walking.
My grandmother has to come see me walk across the stage.
Yes.
So
Gown and cap.
it's gonna be a whole big thing. I'm gonna have like a sexy outfit underneath my cap and gown, and I can't wait to just. It's gonna be a whole big old thing.
I'm excited for you.
I'm excited for my audience to be there.
It's gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be so cute.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, so this happens to be two of my favorite mascaras in the whole world. Tell me about the Big Bad Wash.
I always get scared. I'm like, okay, let's not put mascara on because I don't feel like looking like the crowd made me cry. But
Yes.
when I use this, everything stays intact.
Are you like a person? Yeah.
Are you a drums or a flats kind of girl?
I'm a drum.
Hey, here we go. Let's talk about it.
What are you gonna do?
This sauce smells hot.
Oh God. Here we go. The ASMR on this is so good.
I really feel like they're giving me the hotter food. Or maybe my sauces are hotter because
Oh,
it's like
is that
it kicked
different?
in.
Do you want me to do it?
I do.
Okay.
I do.
Oh yeah, that was a different one. I don't like that hot sauce.
But wait, because it's going to start kicking in. I have to make sure that my tongue is alive.
Do you do tongue exercises?
Sometimes. Oh,
Oh yeah.
I have like a 6-pack on my tongue.
Teeth check. Grammy.
Okay, 3 of them sitting pretty in my house.
Tell me your reaction.
I was so excited. That was my first time ever at the Grammys.
Was it a shock? Do they tell you before? Really don't.
They do not tell you. So I'm sitting in there to be there in front of everybody, and then when Beyonce came,
I know.
I was like, Beyonce! I didn't remember anything that I
You didn't?
practiced. No, I just was like, every time they call my name, I'm like, who, me?
But honestly, like, you won because you are Megan Thee Stallion, because you worked your butt off
Yeah.
to get there. I want you to tell me about this color and what's happening with both of these.
Okay, so these are the chrome liquid liners. This is the
Oh,
gold.
that's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this color.
If it was me, I would probably do like my black liquid eyeliner, and then I would probably do like another cool line over the top
Like
of
on
it.
top of it.
Yeah.
It feels
dries
like it feels
quick.
like it's dry. Yeah, like look, it's like I'm trying to get it off right now, and it's not even transferring. So that's good. So happy you're
Right?
at the
I'm
Revlon
a part of the
family.
family.
Okay, let's go for this.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Now that's not the hot sauce you used before, right?
This is the super hot one.
No, we're getting rid of this one. Are you a double dipper?
I try to get it in there real good the first time.
Okay, so not a double dipper. I'm a double dipper. I'm a sauce person. I'm like actually enjoying this. I thought I was gonna dread it. You had said something that really like just made me so excited. You had said that you had manifested your Sports Illustrated cover.
I really did.
Because I too manifested mine. And I'm curious. First of all, congratulations!
That's a big accomplishment. And I
Yes.
was like, damn,
Yes.
girl. We've been talking about this shit since high school.
The fact that there's 3 black women on different covers, I think was also a really big deal.
To be a woman, a black woman, a natural woman, my natural curves, and they just let me be me and they really embraced it. I was like, oh, this is what we need. This is what I'm talking about. It's about time.
Exactly. We need to see everybody. We need to see everybody.
We need to see everybody. We need to see everybody.
Hello.
Hello?
Even
Okay.
like a real courier.
Yes. I feel like that's a really cool sound.
That's a good ASMR. Do you have any fillings?
I do.
Me too.
In my adult life.
How are you feeling about being such a voice and a face for this next generation?
For me, it's like just kicking the door down for it to be others. All of my messages, everything I stand behind, I really believe in it. So to be in a light where it's you get a big audience, I get to really do me, and you know, I don't have to pretend to be anybody else. I'm Megan Thee Stallion, I'm Megan Thee Stallion all the time. And maybe there's a girl growing up and she's like, I really want to be this, but I'm not too sure. And now she has somebody to look at and, you know, learn from my mistakes, be better, come behind me and, you know, do you and teach somebody else another lesson. No matter what they say, you can do it.
This has been #1 craving.
Really?
Fireball.
That's
Are you a
fire.
Fireball girl?
I like to drink Fireball.
What's that? What is that?
It's like cinnamon alcohol. It's so good. But it literally tastes like juice.
It sounds like a really bad hangover.
Not for me.
Okay, she goes hard.
I do.
Oh, we got our first cough.
Shit. This is the spiciest thing that we've eaten. Like this whole side of my mouth is like on fire. And I'm just fighting through it. I'm like, yeah.
And this is my craving. Isn't that crazy?
That is insane.
That's
As a pregnant lady, I put the baby in there
Just
like.
wait. Just wait till you get pregnant.
I will wait.
Okay, guys, Megan's whole collection is coming out this September. Make sure you hurry up and buy it, and I hope it's not sold out already. Hot girl stuff, hot products, hot food. We talked
everything.
hot topics, all of the things. Thank you for joining us, and thank you, Megan.
Thank you. My mouth is on fire.
Take it out. Take it out.
No, I have to finish it now.